Hi viewers, welcome to Arunachala Engineering College EEE Department YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about the basics of optical fibers, its history, construction, how light is propagated through a fiber, advantages and the applications. Let us move on to the history of fiber optics development. So the history started in 1840s when physicists Jacques Babinet and Jean Daniel Colladon demonstrated the ability to direct light along curved water. They used this for fountain displays. Later, in 1854, physicist John Tyndall discovers that light can be conducted through a curved stream of water, which led to light foundation experiment. So this was the light foundation experiment animation. So this was the white light source. This was the vessel, glass vessel filled with water, and this was the reservoir. See, the water flows from the vessel into the reservoir. When white light is passed, the white light also follows the same path as the water. So this is the experiment they have done. So they have inferred that the light projected into the water follows the stream's path, demonstrating the total internal reflection concept which is used with fiber optics. Then later in 1880, engineer William Wheeler has used this idea and he created a system of light pipes to direct the light from a single electric lamp to other areas in the home. So he used this fiber optics for household purpose. Later in 1930, a German medical student, Heinrich Lamb, he successfully passed the first image through the curved optical fiber. Later, in 1960, American physicist Theodore Harold Malman invented the laser. Till 1960s, white lamp was used as the source to transmit data through the optical fiber. And after, as soon as the laser was invented by American physicist Theodore Harold, this fiber optic technology has seen a vast development. See, the first line, fiber line, becomes operational from England to New Jersey in the year 1988. Later, in 1993, so military and commercial customers have used this fiber optic technology. Now, in 2002, almost a few telecom sectors have used, and recently BSNL and other operators are using the fiber optic technology to transmit data in high speed, allowing high speed internet, cable TV and many other services. So this is the history of fiber optics. Now we will see how a fiber optic cable looks like. This will have three main parts. One is core, cladding and outer plastic coating. Core is the inner part. The light reflects within the core always. Cladding is the outermost part. So it will have a refractive index slightly lower than this core. And these both are made up of glass or plastic, and the outer coating is made up of plastic. This is mainly to protect the cable from environmental factors such as cold, fire, etc. So this is how a fiber optic cable is constructed. Now let us see the animated version of fiber optic cable. We have some other protective coatings like steel rods, copper pipe, Kevlar sheet, waterproof layer, and some other coatings are available to enhance the protection of the cable. So next we will see how a light propagated inside a cable. See, the light propagated inside the cable by a principle of total internal reflection. See, when laser light is inclined at a particular angle into the fiber optic cable, the light will be reflected inside the core. This is the core. The light will be reflected inside the core so that it follows total internal reflection. So this effect is used in fiber optics to confine the light in the core. Some of the pros or advantages include higher bandwidth for transmission over long distances with high data rate, less signal attenuation, that is less loss, and highly immune to electromagnetic interference as compared to copper cables. Due to the heavy coating of fiber optic cable, it is highly resistive to corrosive materials. When compared to copper cables, these fiber optic cables are light in weight. So these are the few noticeable advantages that fiber optic cable has. Finally, applications used in communication purpose, mainly in military and defense, for seawater and for seawater communication, that is for transmitting the secret information through fiber optic cable under sea. Then in medicine, for surgeries, in endoscopy, this fiber optic cable is used. Then sensors, a lot of measurements such as temperature, pressure have been measured using fiber optic sensors. Then household gadgets, fiber optic lamp used for decorations, etc. Thank you.